my boy. Natural bird catcher if I ever saw one. Wow. Don't tell me I've raised a fraidy cat.
I give up, Spike. You win.
That is disgusting. My son fraternizing with birds. Looks like I'll have to teach Junior the facts of life. Okay, son, start reading.
In order to grow up to be a real cat, it is necessary to chase birds, catch birds, and eat birds? Oh, Father, what are we, cannibals?
Yeah. That's the way we cats survive. Now get going and start chasing birds. Be a real cat.
I feel like an assassin going out to destroy my best friend. Oh, hello, Spike. My father says that if I want to be a real cat, I have to chase birds, catch birds, and eat birds. Hey, that's a swell idea, Spike, and it just might work.
Aha! He's got him cornered. Suffer and succotash. I've created a kindergarten Frankenstein.